freak blizzard covers Sahara Desert in snow as temperatures turn sub-zero. A rare snowstorm has swept into the Sahara Desert, turning the red sands white as a small Algerian town was hit by a freak blizzard. Incredible photos show the Ain Sefra in the country's northwest, known for its blazing heat, covered in a blanket of snow as temperatures plummeted below freezing. Excited locals have been pictured playing in the snow, while many opted to go sledging down the sides of the hills, as they wasted no time in enjoying the weather before it melts away. The freak weather is totally unexpected, with temperatures normally hitting around 37°C in the town, known as the gateway to the desert. Forecasters said temperatures have now dipped to bitter sub-zero lows of -1.1. The town had not seen snow for almost 40 years until icy conditions blew in last year and in 2016. Shortly after Christmas in 2016, deep snow caused chaos as passengers became stranded on buses due to slippery and icy roads. Come January 2017, children enjoyed more snow by making snowmen and even sledging on the dunes. Before the strange weather over the past year, the last snow seen in Ain Sefra was on February 18, 1979, when a fall lasted just half an hour. Ain Sefra is around 1,000 meters above sea level and surrounded by the Atlas Mountains. The Sahara Desert covers most of northern Africa, and it has gone through shifts in temperature and moisture over the past few 100,000 years. It comes after the Saudi Arabian desert was blanketed by snow as temperatures plummeted below freezing. Bizarre pictures showed camels with their humps covered in snow, while near-deserted landscapes were left covered in flakes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.